Hi, good morning, dear friends. Let us discuss the continuation of the manufacturing of fuel and lubricants. We were seeing the definition of the fuel, and we saw about the structure of petroleum. The different structure of petroleum has been tabulated as mentioned here. The family of hydrocarbons are said as paraffin, olefin, naphthalene as well as aromatic. The family of hydrocarbons have been mentioned as paraffin, olefin, naphthalene and aromatic. The chemical formula of paraffin is C base N H base 2N plus 2, and the chemical formula of olefin is C base N H base 2N, C base N H base 2N. The similar to naphthalene is similar to olefin, but the difference is molecular structure. Aromatic carbon is C base N H base 2N minus 6. Here the molecular structure of paraffin and olefin are similar, that is chain structure, chain molecular structure, and naphthalene and aromatic is ring molecular structure. There are two chain molecular structure and two ring molecular structure. Here the paraffin is saturated chain which is stable. Now olefin is unsaturated chain which is unstable. Naphthalene is saturated ring which is stable, and aromatic is highly unsaturated and it is most unstable. General characteristics of hydrocarbon due to molecular structure. So here we are discussing the general characteristics of the hydrocarbon due to molecular structure. Because of the molecular structure, everything has to be changed. In the SI engine, spark ignition engine, normal paraffins exhibit the poor anti-knock, but aromatic offers the best resistance to knocking in spark ignition engines. In the spark ignition engine, normal paraffin exhibit the poor anti-knock, but aromatic offers the best resistance to knocking in SI engines. So, aromatic structure is more suitable than normal paraffin in the SI engines. For CI engines, the order is reversed, that is normal paraffins are the best fuels, then the aromatic, because the aromatic is least desirable. As the number of atoms in the molecular structure increases, the boiling temperature also increases. As the number of atoms in the molecular structure increases, the boiling temperature also increases. Thus, the fuels with fewer atoms in the molecular tends to more volatile. Thus, the fuel with fewer atoms in the molecule tends to more volatile. Thus, paraffins have the highest heating value and the aromatic is the least. So, we have to consider the heating value of the petroleum structure. Paraffin has the highest heating value, whereas the aromatic has the least heating value. So, general characteristics of the hydrocarbon is based on the molecular structure. So, SI engine differs from CI engine. In the SI engine, paraffins are poor performers and aromatics is the good performer, whereas in the CI engine, it is reverse. The paraffins are the best preferred one rather than the aromatics. So, as the number of atoms in the molecular structure increases, the boiling temperature also increases. So, the fuel with fewer atoms in the molecular structure tends to more volatile. Thus, the introduction part of the manufacturing as well as the molecular structure of carbon has been considered. Thank you.